Today we're making Korean cream cheese garlic bread. It was so delicious, and honestly I can't wait until I can make it again. So I'm going to show you guys how I made it in today's video. Start with 1 cup of warm milk, 2 1/4 teaspoons of active dry yeast, 6 tablespoons of sugar, 1 cup of all-purpose flour. You want to cover for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes you want to add in 3.5 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon salt, 2 eggs, and 4 tablespoons of room temperature butter. Knead your dough for 10 minutes. Add it to an oiled bowl, cover and let it rest for 1 hour. Add your dough to a floured surface and create 6 dough balls. Add to a prepared baking sheet. You want to let them rest for another 30 minutes. Brush on some egg wash, and we're going to bake at 350 for about 25 minutes. Here I whipped up some of our filling. I'll have the ingredients on the screen for you guys. You want to take your buns out of the oven and cut them into 8 sections. We're going to fill each section with our filling. Then we're going to dip them into our garlic butter. All the ingredients are shown on the screen. You want to bake again at 350 for 15 minutes. And we're done. Full written recipe will be on my Instagram tomorrow.